The Research Starter Grant that I received from the PhRMA Foundation has had a huge impact on my research program and my career trajectory. I started my lab here at the University of South Carolina School of Medicine back in July of 2012 after making the leap from the pharmaceutical industry back to academia. To say that was a daunting career choice would be an understatement. At the time, it felt more like I was walking off a cliff and not knowing if something would be there to catch me. Fortunately, just 5 months after starting my lab, something did catch me, the award letter from the PhRMA Foundation. I was so excited, I can remember running down the hall and telling all my colleagues the good news. Because that award meant a lot more to me than just money to fund my research. For me, mentally, it was a game changer. It validated my choice to come back to academia, and it let me know that I did have what it takes to be a successful academic researcher. Of course, the money did help too. Having that influx of funds gave me the confidence to hire technical staff earlier than I otherwise would have, and to take on some projects that I felt were more high risk but potentially had higher reward. And in fact, those studies did turn out very well, and the data were absolutely critical to the successful resubmission of my R01 application, which did end up being fully funded. And the data collected under the auspices of my Research Starter Grant have contributed to a number of publications, 2 of which have just recently been accepted in high-profile journals, Neuropsychopharmacology and Molecular Psychiatry. And really, this award has been the gift that keeps on giving, so to speak. Because I did receive it so early on, it allowed me to save a chunk of my startup funds. So I have kind of a nest egg in my piggy bank. And having that savings gives me the confidence to take on students or start new projects before I have external long-term funding in place. So really, directly or indirectly, my Research Starter Grant has helped to seed 4 major research projects in my lab. So from the bottom of my heart, I thank the PhRMA Foundation for my Research Starter Grant that has helped support our work studying the phosphodiesterase PD11A and its potential therapeutic applications in the context of neuropsychiatric disease and age-related cognitive decline.